Hello, welcome to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to set timer on your Snapchat for your Android. Before that, I wanna ask you, so you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's get started. First, we go to Snapchat here. After that, you can click the symbols and click the timer. And set timer. So 1 second, 2 seconds. You can adjust the timer that one you want. Okay, set timers. After that, you can take the photo with the timers. And yeah, this is a tutorial how to set the timer on Snapchat for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.